In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the size of a Looker Studio report page. This is a quick but important adjustment that can make your dashboards easier to read, give you more space for charts and text, and ensure your report looks great on the screens your audience uses. First, make sure your report is open in Looker Studio. At the very top, look for the toolbar. Click on Page to open the menu for page level options. From that menu, choose Current Page Settings. This tells Looker Studio you want to make changes to the page you're currently working on, rather than the entire report. Once you select that, look to the right side of your screen for the Properties panel. If you don't see it at first, it may be collapsed, so just expand it. In this panel, switch to the Style tab. The Style tab controls how the page looks and feels, and it's where the size controls live. Within the Style tab, find the section labeled Canvas Size. This is the area that defines the overall dimensions of your report page. Here, you'll see fields for width and height. These values are in pixels, which is the standard unit for precise screen layouts. Now, enter the exact size you want. For example, 1920 by 1080 pixels works well for widescreen displays, while 1366 by 768 fits many laptops. If you're designing for large monitors or a wall display, you might go wider, and for mobile-focused summaries, you might go narrower. As you type, Looker Studio will adjust the canvas, giving you more or less room to organize your content. A quick tip on planning your dimensions. Think about your audience and the devices they use most. Larger canvases are great for dense dashboards and presentations, but they may introduce horizontal scrolling on smaller screens. Keeping consistent sizes across pages helps your viewers have a seamless experience. After updating the width and height, take a moment to glance over your layout. Charts, scorecards, and text boxes maintain their positions, but the extra room may reveal opportunities to improve spacing and readability. Consider whether elements benefit from more breathing room or a cleaner alignment. And that's all there is to it. By opening Page, selecting Current Page Settings, heading to the Style tab, and entering your desired width and height in pixels, you've successfully increased the size of your Looker Studio report page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra control over your dashboard's design.